If you notice, I didn't open this bottle. The cork is still in, but I've been drinking it. How did I do it? I'll tell you my secret. It's not really a secret. Hello, my name is Miroslava. I am Sommelier, and today I want to talk to you about this beautiful bottle that I'm drinking. It's St Francis Gewürztraminer from Sonoma. You know that I'm going to put the picture of the label so you can see it, buy it, and enjoy it like me. And I would like to talk to you about this delicious wine. Gewürztraminer is a pink grape coming from a cool climate of Alsace France. Alsace France is a beautiful historical region in the northeast of France and is right next to Germany and Switzerland. This is why the influence of the language, of the food, of the climate, and of course of its wine. Gewürztraminer, like I said, is a pink grape. Very, very good. You can make red wines, you can make rosés, and you can make white wines out of it. It's very, very good for beginners when you're starting drinking wine. This is a really good grape that I recommend. Like I said, this is from Sonoma County, so it's the weather there is very different than the Alsace in France, although the grape is the same. So let's go and smell this one. It's a very, very aromatic, like I said. I can scent the rose petals, honey, lychee. This is very particular of lychee scents and lychee flavors. I can also scent some orange blossom and some vanilla. But let's taste it now. Yeah, it has a long finish, long and dry finish. Sometimes because of the smell, this grape will be mistaken as a sweet wine, as a very sweet. But it's not really sweet, it's towards the dry side of it. I can taste gingerbread. You know the flavor of the gingerbread? I can taste it in this wine. I can taste the honeysuckle, definitely. I can taste the orange, grapefruit a little bit, more like the grapefruit peel. Lychee for sure. I will say that this wine is really good to enjoy by itself. I recommend it to have it very cold, crispy cold. But you can enjoy by itself. It doesn't really need some food or anything to pair with. But if you're gonna pair it with some food, I recommend some seafood, some spicy food. It's really, really good if you want to pair it with some Asian food or I will say some sausages. If you're trying to go for vegetarian or vegan, I will say something spicy or something oily. If you prepare some steamed vegetables, but you use a lot of olive oil or you use a little bit of a pesto or some creaminess on it, this wine will pair really good with it. I highly recommend it. It's really good. So I have this COravin, amazing, that I love. I'll put the link below so you can buy one for yourself. This is normally used for wines that you don't really want to open. You want to save. You only want to have one glass. In the restaurant, we use it for expensive wines, or the vendors, they use it when they're like tasting different wines with their clients. They don't want to open a bottle every single time, so they just give a glass of taste. And this works like this. It's pretty easy to use and I love it. So once you have it inside, it has a needle that goes through the cork. And this allows you to drink some wine out of the bottle without opening the bottle. Isn't it magical? Love it. I will leave the link below so you can buy your COravin. And if you like my outfit, it's from Chavacoco. I'll leave my link as well below. And tell me, what do you think about this? Tell me what do you think about the wines. Tell me, what do you like to drink? I want to talk to you about wine follow me on my Instagram, like this page, and subscribe so you can see more videos about different wines and different drinks. Okay? Cheers! And like I always said, what grows together goes together. Pause.